What's up, people? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to talk about the scam of 85,000 recently happened with me through OLX. Now, what really happened? Everybody wants to know what really happened. मुझे मेरे घर का फर्नीचर बेचना था and I sent my photos of my house to my mom and she put it on OLX. Now I am the seller and the OLX guy is the buyer. उसने क्या किया? He did not bargain a single amount. So the amount of the furniture I was selling was 50,000 and he did not bargain even a single rupee is when I should have doubted. And मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था जो भी अभी OLX पे स्कैम्स हो रहे हैं, मुझे इसके बारे में कोई आइडिया नहीं था. I was simply in a state that I want to sell my furniture. So he called me and he said that he is from Kalwa. वो कलवा का है. Kalwa is near Thane, Mumbai. Not in Mumbai but near Thane. And he was going to send a tempo with his guys to take the furniture. So what did he say कि मैं आपको 10,000 रुपये गूगल पे करता हूँ. मैंने बोला ओके. सो अगर वो मुझे गूगल पे कर रहा है तो मुझे कोड भेजना चाहिए, QR कोड मुझे भेजना चाहिए. बट हुआ क्या यहाँ पे? हुआ ये कि उसने मुझे कोड भेजा और उसने मुझे बोला कि ये नेट बैंकिंग है. और उसने जैसे ही मुझे पहला कोड 5 रुपये का भेजा जो मुझे ट्राई करना था, उसने बोला कि आप ट्राई करो और देखो आपको पैसा रिटर्न आ जाएगा. अभी उसने बहुत कम अमाउंट भेजा तो 5 रुपये का कोड जैसे ही मैंने स्कैन किया फ़ोन पे तो मुझे मेरा पैसा 5 रुपये का जो भी अमाउंट है वो मुझे रिटर्न आ गया. Okay, this was the trick he played to show me that I am going to get back my money. I don't know what is net banking. So what happened next is he sent me 2,000 का कोड and he told me कि आप लैपटॉप पे जाके इसको स्कैन करो या फिर कोई और फ़ोन में करो. मैंने बोला ओके. मैंने लैपटॉप में किया. ही सेड कि 2,000 का कोड 5 बार स्कैन करना. मैंने 5 बार किया. सो 2,000 into 5 10,000. माई 10,000 वेंट. उसने बोला कि अभी टाइम आउट हो गया है और आपका ना जो पैसा है वो आ जाएगा. अभी आप क्या करो कि 10,000 का कोड भेजता हूँ, वो 5 बार स्कैन करना. मैंने बोला भाई साहब मेरा पैसा चला गया, मुझे मेरा पैसा दो. अब यहाँ पे ये हो जाता है कि आपका पैसा गया है और आप डेस्परेट हो जाते हो कि मुझे ये पैसा मुझे रिटर्न चाहिए और जो सामने वाला बोल रहा है वो मैं कर दूंगा या कर दूंगी. सो यू काइंड ऑफ गेट मैनिपुलेटेड एंड आई स्कैन 10,000 कोड 5 times. Whereas it only got scanned 3 times because my phone pay rejected to send the amount because of its limit. That's what I got saved. And so basically 40,000 went. Now what he said that आपने 10,000 का कोड 5 बार नहीं किया ना, इसलिए आपका पैसा रिटर्न नहीं आया. मैंने बोला ये कौन सा है, ये कौन सा नेट बैंकिंग है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नेट बैंकिंग इज दिस. सो उसने क्या किया, मुझे बोला कि मैं आपको 20,000 का कोड भेजता हूँ, आप 2 बार स्कैन करना. सो अभी मेरा तो गूगल पे से भी नहीं हो रहा है, फ़ोन पे से भी नहीं हो रहा है. सो आई टोल्ड माई फ्रेंड वलेरियन दैट प्लीज़ स्कैन 20,000 का कोड, यू विल गेट बैक योर मनी. दिस वे ही ऑल्सो लॉस्ट हिज 45,000 एंड दैट गाय स्टिल is receiving our calls and that guy is saying that मैंने कैश भेजा है मेरे ड्राइवर के साथ. Basically first he is saying that he is from Kalwa and now he is saying he is from Andheri. And then I checked the QR codes, I'll attach it here. The refund money कुछ उसने लिखा था, वो देखो कैसे उल्टा सीधा लिखा है, 2 refund monies. I should have checked literally, but in such situations when your money goes once, you are like no, you want your money back. आपको आपका पैसा चाहिए and you get manipulated. And I still wonder how can I get manipulated. And what happened next is so we basically tracked his cell and through cybercrime and he removed all the money, 85,000 from his account, and he closed his account. His account was from HDFC Bank. And this is what all happened. Now what really happened here is अभी मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरी डाला कि ऐसे ऐसे मेरे साथ हुआ है, एंड आई गॉट सो मैनी डीएम्स कि हम लोग के साथ भी OLX पे ऐसे हुआ है, या OLX पे या कोई और ऐप पे कितने सारे लोगों के साथ स्कैम्स हो चुके हैं. एंड दिस वीडियो इज़ जस्ट मेड टू स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस कि मतलब किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है. बेसिकली व्हेन यू सी अ चीपर थिंग लाइक कोई कोई लोग मर्सिडीज़ बेच रहे हो OLX पे सस्ते प्राइस में, कोई कोई लोग बुलेट बेच रहे हैं, कोई कोई लोग पता नहीं क्या क्या बेच रहे हैं सस्ते प्राइस में. और जब आपको वो दिख जाता है ना तो आप अट्रैक्ट हो जाते हो कि यार ये इतना सस्ता है, ये मुझे लेना चाहिए. बट बेसिकली दोज ऑल आर स्कैम्स, those all are scams, and your attraction just fails you like anyhow. This is what happened. Now what I did next when I understood that my money was gone, first step was that I freezed my account so that he does not make any more transactions by himself or anyhow. I first of all I did that, I contacted my bank, I freezed my account. Second step I did was I went to the police and filed an FIR. Okay. To file an FIR, you need to write an application about the whole incident that happened, and attach your transaction copies and whatever transactions you did and a bank statement. Okay, that this is the second process. Third thing I did was I went to cybercrime. The office is near Kalwa. I went to cybercrime office. They said that until and unless the police does not send us the report, we cannot do any other further procedures. And that's the thing which got delayed because the whole research and study about the case is the cybercrime, and if police is not sending the report to cybercrime, it won't happen. Like there's nothing going to happen. Then what I did was I came back to Ratnagiri. My branch office is here in Ratnagiri. I went to the bank. Again, I wrote the application. I attached the police FIR. I attached all the documents, all the transactions, and how I am looking, like how I can get my money back. So what I did was I filled, there is some form, like every account I guess has an insurance through RBI. So there are chances that you get back your money from the insurance of your account. So what I did that I went to the bank, I did all the procedures, and I have submitted the insurance form to the bank. Now let's see what happens if I get the insurance back or what it is. Now what happened with Valerian is his bank was ICICI and my bank is Bank of India. He went to the bank, to ICICI bank, and next day his money got credited to his account. That's how fast ICICI bank works. Whereas I went to the bank and I haven't still yet got any messages from the bank. But let's hope for the best. But this is what I did, and I don't think cybercrime really helps because it takes very long to track that person, to go to that person, because already he has removed all the money from his account, and I don't know if we can do anything through the bank, through his account, because he has also closed his account. The only way is to catch that person, and I don't know how is that going to help, because I have received so many DMs that people are saying हम लोग ने भी साइबर क्राइम गए, हम लोग भी पुलिस के पास गए, हम लोग का पैसा रिटर्न नहीं आया है. So I don't know what cybercrime does, or are they really helping, because many people have left with nothing and nobody has helped them. And I don't know where is this going, where is this scams going in India, because this is really ridiculous to see so many people losing their hard earned money by nothing, like by just a mistake of trusting someone to scan. Like obviously it's our mistake to trust such people, but I don't think it's our mistake to get scammed by some people who are just robbing our hard earned money. I think cybercrime, Indian police, Mumbai police, or your district, your state police should really help in such matters, because This is our hard-earned money, and we do not deserve to give it to some robber in such way. Also, if I'll keep you updated if I get the money back from the bank, but let's see, finger cross. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you so much.